Hello, I am Dr. Sujoy Dasgupta, Consultant Reproductive Medicine and Surgery in Genome Fertility Center, Kolkata. Today I am going to discuss about the problems men commonly face during semen collection and how they can overcome the problems. We know that semen analysis is the integral part of evaluation of infertility. In male partner, the first test we advise is semen analysis. But there are some men who find it difficult in collecting the semen and they request whether they can have some alternative options. How we usually collect semen in our lab? We have private room where the men are advised to collect the semen by masturbation, and in our lab we have private facilities, private room facility where the man can be accompanied by his partner so that if there is any problem they can solve it. But even then some men feel problem. What we can do? Initially we can give some medication like sildenafil or tadalafil that can be helpful for some men. If that fails, particularly in some men who are not used to masturbation, in that case we can provide a small device called vibroejaculator. This is a small device that is available in our clinic. The men are advised to apply this device in their penis so that it can stimulate their penis and ejaculation happens, and then the semen can be collected and analyzed in the laboratory. But even after that, there are some men who still cannot collect the semen. In that case, they can take the help of coitus interruptus, that is a method by which the men can try intercourse, and just before ejaculation they can withdraw the penis and collect the semen. And for that again we are having private facilities in our lab. In the private room beds are there so that they can collect the semen by this way. But unfortunately very few men still cannot collect the semen even trying all these methods like tablets, vibroejaculation, coitus interruptus. What they can do? In that case, we advise special urine test called post-masturbation urine. That is, we advise the men to collect the urine immediately after masturbation, because sometimes the sperms can be found in the urine, and we can collect the sperms from the urine and then use these sperms for IUI or IVF depending on the sperm concentration. And remember, if we find that the men may have problem in semen collection, then if we are able to collect the semen, we usually advise semen freezing so that next time when semen is required, the men should not face any problem. But if all these methods fail, and because some men they cannot even ejaculate during intercourse, in that case the last option is called TESA, testicular sperm aspiration. That is, we can collect the sperm from the testicles under anesthesia by putting a small needle inside the testicles. But sperms collected with the help of TESA can only be used for ICSI, that is a special type of IVF. Therefore, please remember, semen collection may cause some embarrassment and problem, but if you feel any problem, please feel free to talk to your doctor. We have lots of options for you. We can use some tablets, we can use vibroejaculation, and we can take the help of other methods, and most of the men can finally be able to collect the semen by one of these methods. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, please feel free to contact us.